Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add Facebook family member. Open Facebook. There, you should go to the section about. Then go to the option Family and Relationships. Here, click on the line Add Family Member. After that, enter the family member's name, which must be on Facebook, and in the Relationship section, choose the relationship to you. When you complete this, click on Save. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.